What's up, guys? Fan Man here. Here's another fan of my collection. This is a Lasko Black Box Fan. I have two of these. This is the one that broke. The other one is broken, and I can't even plug it in because the plug is broken. So, yeah, this thing has a broken blade. Doesn't spin. Instead, it just hums quite loud, or just pretty much faint. I'll show you when I turn it on. So, there's my little, or slightly smaller, there's my Polonus oscillating fan. It's 12 inches, so it's like, maybe, 6 inches, or 8 inches smaller. It's quite small, to be exact. So, yeah. Yeah, this thing broke. The reason why it broke is because it fell over. You can honestly hear it. Honestly, that's fine. Here, I'll give you guys a visual. Still not working. That's the blade that broke. It's in there and it's blocking the propeller from turning. I'm gonna have to throw it away because this thing is garbage. It's just crap. It was a nice fan for a few months. But yeah, rest in peace to this fan, I believe. I'm gonna try and do this just for a little bit. Serious? Now it works? Piece of junk. Well, I might have to use this guy, the Polonus fan. So rest in peace, Lasko Box Fan. You know that, I think that's dust and it's there. But yeah.